Hello and welcome everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe. So in the previous class we have discussed about some types of plants. Now in this class we are going to discuss about the parts of plants. Like we have the body parts, similarly plants also have their own parts. Let us discuss about them. So, my dear children, the very first part of the plant is a leaf. Here you can see the leaf. My dear children, this is a ladyfinger plant. I am going to show you all the parts of the plant on this ladyfinger plant. So, let us see. This is the leaf of the ladyfinger plant. It is green in color and it has few lines on it. Now, my dear children, leaves are also of different kinds. Some are small, some are big, some are thin and some are round in shape. Now let us see one example of thin leaves. Come with me. I will show you an example of thin leaf. Now this leaf is a thin leaf. This is thin in size. And let us see the example of a big leaf. Now this is a papaya leaf and it is a big leaf. As you can see, it is a big leaf. And some leaves are round in shape. Now I will show you an example of a round leaf. Now this is a round leaf. This is a round leaf. As you can see, lotus plant also has round leaves. Now let us see one example of small leaves. This is lemon plant and it has small leaves like this. It has small leaves. See? Now these are few kinds of leaves. My dear children, leaf is also called the kitchen of the plant. Do remember, leaf is called the kitchen of the plant. Now let us move on to the next part of the plant. The next part of the plant is a flower. Here you can see a flower. This is the flower which comes on this plant, that is ladyfinger plant, and it is the most beautiful part of the plant. You can see how beautiful it is. It is yellow in color and it looks so beautiful. Now after the flower, what is the next part? Here, can you see this part? This is called a stem. This part of the plant gives support to the plant. This part gives support to the plant. Here, can you see this green stick here in between this plant? This is the stem. This is called the stem. Now, my dear children, as I told you about the stem, now, what do we call this which is coming out of a stem? See, this is the stem. The middle part, the center part, the center stick is the stem. But what is this? Now we call them branches. What are they? They are branches of the plant. These are also a part of a plant. Okay, so my dear children, can you guess where do we get fruits from? Yes, we get the fruits from plants. Now, this is also a part of a plant. Fruit is also a part of a plant. Now let us see where is the fruit in this plant. Come here and see. Here is the fruit of this plant. This lady finger is the fruit of this plant. Can you see? There is a big lady finger here, here and here as well. So many lady fingers are here. See? These are the fruits of the plant. Okay, so my dear children, there are two parts which are not visible in the plant, but they are still called the parts of the plant. Number one is seed. Let us see where is the seed in this plant. It is there in the fruit. I will show you where is the seed in this plant. Now see here in this lady finger, there are few seeds. Are they visible? I guess yes. Now these are the seeds of the plant. These are also called the parts. Now my dear children, this was seed. And there is one more part which is not visible. What is that? Can you think? Yes, the other part which is not visible here is the root of the plant. Root is a part which is under the ground, which is under the ground. It is not visible with the plant, but it is also a part of a plant. As I told you that the part of a plant which grows under the ground is a root. Similarly, the part of a plant which grows above the ground, that is visible to us, we call it shoot. What do we call it? We call it shoot. Now, the upper part which is above the ground is shoot, and the part which is under the ground is root. Okay, this was all about the parts of the plants. Let us just recall what all we have discussed today. Number 1 was leaf. Number 2 was flower. Number 3, fruit. Number 4, seed. Number 5, stem. And the last one, which is under the ground, that is the root of the plant. So my dear children, this was all about different parts of the plants. I hope you liked the video, and just take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.